it's been a while since we made a video, but like I kind of said on the Facebook page, I've had something had in the works. We'll put it that way. It took me a little bit to decide and finally pull the trigger, but today's Thanksgiving, and I'll tell you what we're thankful for. Me and the wife been talking about a name, so we had a baby today. I think we might name her Khaos. Hope you can see it back there. Because, as of everything on this channel, it's always chaos. Nothing ever goes as planned. And, I think we're going to go Khaos with a K because we're going to turn this car into some sort of god, maybe? We got the rest of the fleet, but this is the new part of the fleet. It is a 88 Mustang. Just a little 2.3 in it. Just for some reason, it's a 2.3 with a really big air cleaner. I don't know why. That's weird. But I'm not going to spill the beans on it. I'll give you guys a few clips of it running. And 2.3 sounds pretty damn good. It's probably making 65, 75 horsepower. It does need some work. It's going to go get a cage is going to be the first thing we're going to do. Haven't decided if I'm doing it myself or I'm going to call around and see if anybody can get it in and do the cage in the next couple months before springtime. That would be nice to just drop it off, have somebody TIG weld the cage in it, and be done. Because then I could actually certify instead of me doing it. Not that I'm a bad welder, but I don't really have the time. I'd rather just drop it off and pick it up. We're going to get all new tires on it, put a drag radial in the back, fix the hood, maybe we'll just duct tape it. I got to change the seats a little bit. It's got the aftermarket plastic style racing seats, but they are way too tall for me. So you can see you got this wheel like tilted way up. It's a 5-speed, of course. But yeah, it just sits too tall. My head hits the ceiling, so I'd never be able to sit in the car with a helmet. So I got to change the seat. I might put a stock Mustang seat in it if anybody has one. I would like 85, 86 style seat. 2 of them would be nice. So don't forget, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Happy Thanksgiving. This might make it up on Thanksgiving. It might make it up tomorrow. I got to go do the family thing now finally. And look at that ass.